In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase FPS in Hell Let Loose Epic Games. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing Hell Let Loose through Epic Games or even Steam, you can follow the instructions in this video to resolve any sort of FPS issues that you might be having. So instability, the game is crashing, not launching, and so on. First of all, let's start with basic fixes. You should always keep your graphics drivers up to date. If you don't know which GPU you have, right-click the Windows icon, go to Device Manager, and you will find them here under Display Adapters. So all that you have to do is note down the name of your GPU. So for example, I have an AMD Radeon RX GPU. For most people, I believe that they are going to have an NVIDIA GeForce GPU. So you just visit the website of your specific GPU manufacturer, so AMD or NVIDIA, go over to the drivers option, so drivers at the top, or look for AMD drivers on Google if you cannot find it here, and then select the model. So for most gamers, it is going to be GeForce 50 or 40 series if you have a modern computer, and then you can choose the specific one plus the OS that you are running. The same exact thing for AMD. Graphics, Radeon RX 7000 series or 9000, and so on. Once you install and update the graphics drivers, see if the FPS gets better. If it is still giving you trouble, I also recommend updating DirectX and Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. You can find both of these on the Microsoft website. Updating them will help not only on Hell Let Loose, but also any other PC game. So after all of this is done, see if it improves. If it is still giving you trouble, then open the Epic Games Launcher and find Hell Let Loose. You will notice that on my account, sadly, I don't own Hell Let Loose, so I'm going to demonstrate the process with Fortnite instead. I apologize, just follow the same instructions that I show you and it is going to work. So click on the three dots under Hell Let Loose, go over to Manage, and what you can do is change the launch options. So first, try launching the game with DX12. So you enable this option and then you type -DX12. Then launch the game. See if it is stable, see if it even launches, and if it is, then you can force DirectX 12, which might be better, especially if you have a higher end PC. Now, if DX12 is giving you trouble, then lower it to DX11 like this. Then launch the game and test once more. The last thing to do is to click these three dots, go over to Manage, and then this folder icon, Open Install Location. This will take you to the folder where the game is installed. Again, because I'm demonstrating this with Fortnite, it is going to be slightly different, but the idea is the same. Find the executable for Hell Let Loose, right-click, go over to Properties, Compatibility, and in here, choose the option to disable full screen optimizations and apply. Test the game. If it works well, then great, but if it is still giving you trouble, you can try running the game in compatibility mode and try once more. And of course, for additional fixes, close down any unused applications on the background and make sure that you are allocating as much memory as possible to the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to increase FPS in Hell Let Loose Epic Games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.